Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for today's episode of Crafting with Class. Today, I have the Anna Griffin booklet album from Create 8, and I'll be doing a walkthrough of the wedding album that I created for my daughter-in-law as a gift for Christmas. So if you want to see how this book came together, that will be the next tutorial that I will upload. So here's a walkthrough so you can see how it all came together. I hope you enjoy. To personalize the album for them, I used parts of their invitation throughout the album, including here on the cover. The album has a magnetic closure, so when you open it up, you have one side and then the other, and then it is held together with two magnets there, and that's how it is held together. I opted for a magnetic closure because I just like those more than ribbon. I think hopefully this will hold up. So then you open the album, and this is a chunky album, but everything fits. So the first page, I decided to put in a picture of my son's tux and wedding details, but the picture that I did use in here is removable. So if my daughter-in-law decides to change it, she can do that very easily. So all the details and the supplies I used will be in the description box, but I'll give you a more detailed look at things, of course, when in the next video with the directions or instructions on how I put this together. So then the next page is I used a lot of the elements from their wedding invitation, and the details little sentiment there is one of them, little card. This was an extra little feather from Create. I just tucked it in there because I thought it would look cute. That's their actual wedding invitation, and then just a picture of where they got married in the little gazebo. So that was just kind of the intro page. And then the next page is for a place for a photo. And again, I didn't adhere everything all the way down. There is some foam adhesive and the back. Some of it is glued down and some of it is not, so she can slide the picture in and when she decides on one. So this is that photo page. The next pages are pocket pages, so both of them are pockets. I use the corner die from the journal making album because it's just beautiful, and I think it goes super pretty with this book. And so I did one on one side, one on the other, and then this is part of their design for their invitations. And then these little cards were just what came out from the middle of the photo frame, but they're so pretty, so I just decided to include them, place for her to be able to journal or put more pictures. And then the other side is the same. The next pages, there is on the left, it is another photo page, so she can slide in a photo of her choice. And then the one on the right has a large pocket, and then in that large pocket she can add what she wants to, but just for now I took all the middles or some of those extra middles and I created just this little mini album. So it is size for 3x5 pictures to fit in there perfectly, or she can journal or do what she wants to do or not use it all and put something else in there. So that little sentiment is from Anna as well. And then the next two pages, there's the photo one on the left and then a medium pocket on the right. And then the dancing couple is from the Ballroom slider dies. And then I tucked in a couple more of those inserts. So that is the right side. And then on the left, I included all photos. So no pockets on this side so that I could include more pages in the book. Because if you're going to put pockets in every single page, then you're not going to be able to put as many pages in the book. It won't close. Now here you can see how it's not all fully adhered, but I do have the foam tape with the backer still on, and it's just enough where it can hold it. Now in the middle of each page, you're going to see that I've added washi tape just to cover up that seam, but not adding any bulk because the washi tape is, super, super thin. But that's it. That's the whole album, and she can, stretch this out so that she can display it on her table in their home. And then, yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed. Now, here's how the belly band works. So you close the two flaps, you bring in the left first, and then you bring in the right side. And then the middle part is what was on their invitation as well. I hope you enjoyed a peek at the album. I'll be back next video with the process of how this came together, and I hope to see you then. Until next time, bye.